We are going to make this. Welcome to our another video. You are watching Adobic. First, write your text in any font. Now make text color none. We will apply color from appearance. Take new fill color from here and apply color from color picker tool. Now copy orange color code and apply inner glow to this color. Paste orange color code here and set this to multiply, opacity 70%, blur 8 point. Now duplicate this layer and delete inner glow effect from this. Make this layer color light yellow. Go to Distort and Transform and select Transform. And fill -1 and -1 to move this layer to top left side. Now duplicate this below layer and apply orange color. In Transform, fill +1 and +1 to move this layer to bottom right side. Now we have shadow and highlight for our text. From this we will get 3D depth for our text. Now copy this below layer and change color to black. Now go to Blur and apply Gaussian blur effect to this. If this right sidebar is not showing in your Illustrator, then go to Windows menu, then Workspace and select Essential Classic Workspace. To make depth in our text, we will take opacity of this layer 25% and mode multiply. Now duplicate orange color layer and put this in bottom. Now change transform effect of this. We will take 12 copies for the depth of text. Now duplicate black color layer and put this in bottom. Now hide Gaussian blur and opacity of this. Change transform effect and fill according to text depth. Now we can show Gaussian blur and opacity effect. Now duplicate this black layer and delete blur and opacity effect. Now go to Path and select Offset Path and fill value according to your choice. Now we will apply gradients to this. If you want, then you can take single color also. Adjust gradient according to your choice. Now, duplicate this gradient layer. And we will apply new transform effect on this. Make 10 copies of this at the 0.5 point horizontal and 0.5 point vertical distance. Now we will apply some darker gradient to this. Hold Alt button and drag this to copy color. Do experiment with these color and make a creative effect. I am increasing depth little bit. I am making yellow color little bit brighter. Now our editable 3D text is ready. Please subscribe our channel for more videos, and please hit like button to motivate us.